Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Toyota Corolla Maintenance Light Reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, OK for enter, and back. And we're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the push start, go ahead and click it twice. And if you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. Now, when you get here, go ahead and press back. Now go ahead and use the right to go to your page, which is here. And when you get here, go ahead and scroll down to vehicle setting. And now you can press OK and hold it. It will take you here. Now scroll down to schedule maintenance, enter on that. Scroll up to yes, enter on yes. And there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.